Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Every single day, thousands of Jamaicans, both at home and abroad, skip the daily newscast and the nightly newscast and head straight to YouTube. Why? Because on YouTube, the real voices of the people are talking. They are exposing corruption, breaking stories first, and holding power to account. These aren't suit and tie anchors reading teleprompters. These are Jamaicans with courage, cameras, and conviction. Today, we're counting down the top 10 Jamaican YouTube news vlogging channels. The bold, unfiltered voices, reshaping how the island gets informed. Let's start with the one that sparked an entire movement. Number 1. Politricks Watch. Politricks Watch isn't just a YouTube channel. It's a revolution. Hosted by the mysterious and sharp-spoken Sir P, this platform dives fearlessly into crime, politics, corruption, and the hidden power structures shaping Jamaica. With more than 1,900 videos and over 400,000 subscribers, Sir P has built a loyal audience that looks to him for insight and fearless analysis. Interestingly, Sir P has never shown his face, a decision that adds to his mystique, and many believe helps protect his identity while tackling sensitive national issues. He calls out hypocrisy, challenges authorities, and says what others only whisper. If you want the truth behind the headlines, Politricks Watch is the people's classroom. Number 2. Popeye NewzLynx. When it comes to breaking news, Popeye NewzLynx is Jamaica's digital street reporter. With daily updates and verified reports from every parish, Popeye delivers Jamaica's most consistent community coverage. Like Sir P, Popeye also keeps his identity private, allowing the stories and the victims to take center stage. His calm voice, precise details, and credible updates have earned him national respect. No hype, no drama, just facts. He often says, and that slogan defines his brand. With over 320,000 subscribers, Popeye NewzLynx has become a household name and one of Jamaica's most reliable digital newsrooms. Number 3. JBN News Network. Also known as Jamaica Breaking News Network, JBN blends traditional journalism with modern accessibility. Host Michelle Jones delivers calm, professional newscasts that keep viewers informed and assured. Her tagline says it all: your trusted source for the latest news updates in Jamaica. From daily headlines to human interest stories, JBN keeps it factual, verified, and bias-free. For those who want news without noise, JBN News Network is a digital newsroom of choice. Number 4. PDTV News Jamaica. PDTV News Jamaica, hosted by Andre Stephens, better known as a people's defender, merges journalism with activism. Andre's platform gives everyday Jamaicans a voice through interviews, live call-ins, and exposes that hold powerful figures accountable. He highlights injustice, corruption, and stories the mainstream often overlooks. It's news with purpose, reminding us that media can be a weapon for justice and change. Number 5. Real News Media TV. Fast, factual, and right on time. That's Real News Media TV. Their motto: bringing you the news that's trending as it happens. From crime alerts to national updates, this channel posts 7 times a day, ensuring viewers never miss a beat. It's quick, reliable, and perfect for Jamaicans who want instant updates at their fingertips. Number 6. On-the-spot news media. On-the-spot news media focuses on community reporting and grassroots stories. They tell stories from the ground up, covering crime, community issues, and acts of kindness. The host gives Jamaicans an honest, human-centered view of what's really happening on the streets. It's not about sensationalism. It's about understanding how national issues affect everyday lives. On-the-spot news media remains a pillar of grassroots reporting. Number 7. Jamaica Hot Topic focuses on hot discussions and critical reviews. Bold, opinionated, and always fiery. That's Jamaica Hot Topic. This channel blends verified updates with commentary and analysis, tackling politics, celebrity news, and cultural debates. It's where Jamaicans can argue, agree, and analyze together, turning every headline into a national discussion. If you like your news with passion and perspective, this is the spot. Number 8. BOJ TV, Jamaica and Caribbean News. Covering national and regional coverage, short for Best of Jamaica Television, bridges the gap between traditional broadcasting and digital storytelling. Built as the Caribbean's #1 interactive media network, it covers everything from politics and entertainment to community development. Professional editing, interviews, and on-the-ground reports make BOJ TV a trusted voice across Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. Number 9. Trending TV Station. Trending TV Station captures Jamaica's digital heartbeat. This youth-driven channel thrives on viral clips, breaking headlines, and online buzz. Whether it's a major national issue or a story lighting up social media, Trending TV Station is always first on the scene. It's short, sharp, and built for Jamaica's fast-scrolling generation. Number 10. My View TV. And rounding out the list, My View TV, the people's platform. This independent channel allows Jamaicans to send in voice notes, sharp opinions, and comment directly on the issues of the day. It's news by the people and for the people. Interactive, unapologetic, and proudly Jamaican. My View TV proves that news isn't just something you watch, it's something you take part in. Together, these 10 platforms represent Jamaica's new media frontier. Fast, fearless, and unfiltered. From Sir P's hidden investigation to Popeye's eyewitnessing reporting, Andre Stevens' activism, and My View TV's community engagement, these creators are redefining journalism in the Caribbean. They amplify ordinary people's voices, expose corruption, and keep the nation aware. And in an era flooded with misinformation, they remind us that truth still has a voice, and it speaks with a Jamaican accent. You can subscribe to a few of these channels for your daily news. Use others for commentary and deeper context. Because responsible viewership keeps independent journalism alive. And support these creators with likes, comments, and shares, because they are doing the work many won't. So, the next time you open YouTube, remember Jamaica's most powerful reporters might not be in a studio. They're right here online, camera in hand, capturing truth from the ground up. Big up to all the independent journalists keeping Jamaica informed, inspired, and awake. I'm Cece, and this has been Jamaica's top 10 YouTube news channels, the real voices of the people.